My name is Bernhard Wanko. I'm the sales enginear of MWA Nova. MWA Nova is a company based in Berlin since the early 20s of the last century. And we are a producer of film digitizing equipment, and we provide it for film archives and for broadcast archives as well.
And what are your biggest incentives to promote such an internationally, globally connected event like the FIAT IFTA?
Now, that is the easiest way to meet our customers already our customers, to find new ones, to present new features on our products, to find out what are the requested workflows for the archives. Something's changed because in the digital world are some increases of uses and different things and so on. And we have to step it the same way, you know. We come from the analog world, film especially, but we have to be prepared for the digital requirements.
How do you prepare yourself leaving the analog era, entering the digital domain, you can say?
By myself? Or me by myself, or what?
Yourself? Or
experience. Experience, because film is, we have knowledge about film since over 100 years from the first film. And we know that film is an analog media, a physical, a biological media, and the lifetime of the film gets over very, very quickly. And so we have to digitize these things to keep the content, to keep the history, the treasures are on film. And to handle analog media, if you remember, for example, tapes or something like this, is very hard to handle. And what we are doing with our experience over 60 years we have now in handling film is to prepare the film the way the digitizing world can keep it.
And with regard to that, what kind of specific expectations do you have here at the FIAT IFTA? What are chances that will occur for you, and which challenges will you be facing?
Digital, also all the knowledge about the new digital features, and to be the ingest station, for example, for all the workflows comes behind the digitalization process. That means we have to provide with our machines also metadata and all the things surrounding for the digital heritage preservation and all the other things. That means we are the first point. What here comes in over to the digital world have to give as much as information they can. Metadata about physical conditions, where it comes from, how was it stored, and something like this. So the digital world is prepared with our data to keep all the information, not just the content, all the information needed around that.
I have one last question, because we are currently celebrating the 60th birthday of the ORF. And we would like to know, what is your first memory associated with television? What are the first shows and series that you watched that you can remember?
I heard the same question yesterday evening. That's quite interesting. That was Willi Schwabes Rumpelkammer. I come from the east side of Germany, as was one of our famous small show. An old guy goes down into the basement and found some treasures, dresses and something like this. And he told story about that and short pieces of films from the past. And that was my first thing. And that's why I stay with film, you know. But this is over 50 years ago.
Well, we're celebrating the 60th birthday, so you're all good. Thank you so much for your time and for your interview. And yeah, good luck for everything in the future. Thank you. Bye.